What up, friends and family? It's your boy Keeks the Cultureholic, aka KTC. Shout out to the TSB gang. Back at you guys for another one of those wavy shoe videos. First things first though, if you guys are rocking with me, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Okay, so today we're talking about the Nike Air Foamposite Pro, which actually debuted in 1997, shortly after the Foamposite 1. If you guys hear some crazy background noise, it's raining like really hard right now. But anyway, let's get into it. So the Foamposite Pro is similar to the Foamposite 1. It has, the main difference would be it has the two big Nike signs on the side, and you don't have the iconic Penny Hardaway logo on the back, which we'll get into that once we unbox the shoe.
Remember walking around in Lou with my Reebok pumps, and that was around the first time seeing a ball player dunking. I remember he had some real cool fresh sneakers. I remember he had some real cool fresh sneakers. Go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them.
All right, let's get into it. All fun, no filler, to the unboxing. All right, so we have our Nike box, Foamposite, new Nike QR code, little logo that they do now. And let's get into the shoe. Comes with your standard Nike paper. This colorway is pretty cool. So here we are. Have like a camo on the front, on this side. Small one here, the big one here. So back here is where you normally would have your Penny logo. You just have another Nike swoosh suede, and on the little pull tab, heel tab, it says Foamposite. I don't know if that's in focus, if you can see. You have your traditional herringbone outer sole for the court, which of course, you know, these are a basketball shoe, but over the years it's more a lifestyle fashion shoe. Okay, so for comparison, so here's a Foamposite 1, which you don't have the Nike sign here. You do have a small one here. So you have your iconic Penny Hardaway logo right there, which on this one you don't. You just have the Nike sign and then the Foamposite on the pull tab. So on the front you have the 1 cent logo. On the Foamposite Pro you have just the Air logo there. Pattern's a little different. 1 cent on the bottom. But overall, I do like the way they have this one branded with the Penny Hardaway, but the color scheme on this is pretty unique. I like this color, this camouflage, dark purple, light purple colorway. I kind of wish they did this design with this color on it, but I do like how this has the big Nike swoosh on the side. So there you go. Take a look. Now, my guess, I think this colorway is going to be a big hit, especially around, this is getting ready to be, it's back to school time. You guys should be able to probably pick these up pretty easily. I believe so. Sneakers app, Foot Locker's Champs, Hibbett Sports, a lot of different places probably have these that you guys can grab. But as always, thank you guys for making me part of your day, and stay tuned for more videos. And remember, wear what you like, hype what you love, and in the words of my favorite rapper, peace and much love to you.
Cool fresh sneakers. Go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.